The IVANKY FusionDock Max 1 is an impressive docking station designed specifically for MacBook users, offering a wide range of features and capabilities. With its dual Thunderbolt 4 chips, this dock provides exceptional performance and connectivity. One of the standout features is its support for Quad 6K at 60Hz displays, which is exclusive to the 2021-2023 MacBook Pro series with M1, M2, M3 Max chips. This allows for an immersive and visually stunning multi-display setup, perfect for creative professionals and power users. For those with other MacBook models, the FusionDock Max 1 still delivers an exceptional experience. The 2021-2023-2024 MacBook Pro series with M4 or M1, M2, M3, M4 Pro chips can enjoy dual 6K at 60Hz displays, while the 2020-2022 Mac series with M1, M2, M3 chips can extend their display to a single 6K at 60Hz screen. It's important to note that this dock is not compatible with Windows laptops, so it's specifically tailored to meet the needs of MacBook users. In terms of charging capabilities, the FusionDock Max 1 excels. It features a powerful 180W power adapter, ensuring your laptop can charge efficiently up to 96W. Additionally, it can charge PD USB-C devices at a respectable 30W, making it a versatile charging solution. Data transfer speeds are another strong point. Thanks to its 6 by 40 gigabits per second USB ports, you can enjoy lightning-fast data transfer rates of up to 40 gigabits per second. This is particularly beneficial for transferring large files or working with high-resolution media. The physical design of the FusionDock Max 1 is sleek and compact, measuring 6.73-inch L x 3.69, W x 1.96, H, and weighing only 1.8 pounds. It comes in two color options, midnight blue and silver, allowing you to choose a dock that complements your MacBook's aesthetic. In terms of connectivity, this dock offers an impressive array of ports. It has a total of 20 ports, including 7 USB ports, 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, and a 2.5 GB port for fast and stable network connections. Additionally, it features an SDTF 4.0 card reader, ensuring you have all the connectivity options you need. Overall, the IVANKY FusionDock Max 1 is an exceptional docking station for MacBook users. Its support for multiple 6K displays, fast data transfer speeds, and efficient charging make it a top choice for anyone looking to enhance their MacBook's capabilities. Whether you're a content creator, a professional, or simply someone who wants a seamless and powerful workstation, the FusionDock Max 1 delivers an impressive performance and a wide range of features.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.